That's you, and that's youth, sir. So you are youngest in your business. Your CEO, Mr. Tanga, is also, I can see, extreme fire whenever we meet. Even in casual meeting, also in charge of the people. That is called young and youth in the business, basically. Nobody gets old if one has a vision, a hunger, and a wish to do.
Siddharth, can we have a quick input from you on definition of youth? It's a very subjective thing, Everyone is free to define youth as one perceives it, one feels it rather.
I just like to agree with both of them. I think as long as you're hungry, then I'd say that, and you have the energy to carry yourself through, then you're youth. And willing to take the brunt. But I don't think I'm honestly in a position to comment on this. When I just say me, I guess I'm youth.
Before we move on to another question, I'd like to use a little bit of wisdom that we use in newsroom. That's what we call think headings and talk headings rather than the story. So I'll request all my panelist colleagues to keep their inputs to 30 seconds or 45 seconds so that we can have more questions coming. Very interesting, we've got many questions and very interesting ones. Vishal has asked a question about what lacks in current education system that corporates feel. According to corporates, what is lacking in the current education system? Yeah, please do.
Hands-on capability to apply the knowledge.
Sorry, can you come?
Hands-on capability to apply the knowledge what we claim to have.
Okay. Yeah.
In fact, we learn theory in the college, but put it into practical, little more elaboration and little more exercise if it is done by the trainers, by the teachers, to the students. I think put them on exercise on actual practical thing, and even college is also industrial business, how things functions. Those things can help, and give them idea how business or enterprise or corporate runs, Those kind of knowledge is, in commerce graduation or MBAs, all theories and case studies, examples, then the things are given. But in fact, if those kind of employable knowledge or practical knowledge is given, it can help.
I'd like Hasnubhai to, but we haven't heard it yet. Would you like to have any comment on this? What is lacking in the current education system? What is lacking in the current education system? From the viewpoint of corporates, as in people who run their businesses, what they feel is lacking in the education system that we have.
In the education system, what I am feeling when I joined this chamber before 6 months, that there is a very big gap between the employer and employee also. The graduates from the universities are not employable. The reason that the university does not changes the syllabus as per the requirement of the or as per the needs of the industries. And because of this reason also, the gap between this employer and employees being increasing. There should be a system, or there should be a forum that can help the new graduates, fresh graduates, to be either employee or an entrepreneur. And for this youth, our youth wing has started the programs. Also, Rajiv Bhai has also delivered one lecture also on that. But in chamber, we would like to have a permanent forum to help both the fresh graduate either to be a good employee or either to be a good entrepreneur.
we have one more question before we move on to another round of, reading. I'll hold a couple of questions for the second round. This is very interesting. What are corporates looking for? This question comes from Prakash. What are corporates looking for? Jack of all or ace of one? That's how it has been written here. So probably what one means is whether you're looking at jack of all or an ace.
Both. Most of them jack of all, and few really a master in this.
Depends on criticality of function. If I am running an airline and if I need to appoint a pilot, then he has to be ace only. He cannot be jack of all. Similarly, when we talk about getting senior people with a good amount of knowledge, the most important thing where they have to really figure up and perform, that is being jack of all, and that is people management, the most important thing. Because you have to deal with all kinds of people, manage them, and get the results what you want. So these are the two things which are equally important. It is not that when we talk about jack of all, the most important quality of that individual is that he is perceived as jack of all and is acceptable to all of them. And that is a big plus for an individual who is perceived like that.
Siddharth, request from you.
This?
Yeah.
From an ISEC topic, I would say, we prefer people who sort of fit into any situation, having recruited people in the organization. But I would like to answer the previous question, actually, which I didn't get a chance to, which is, from my understanding, what is the gap that exists in the education system. I think it does not allow any student, as of now, in most education institutes, to answer a simple question, two simple questions. What am I interested in? And based on that, where can I make my future? Those are the two simple questions that I think are fundamental to make a career, which most educational institutes today don't help us answer. I have a solution, which is the organization I represent. So if you're a student, join ISEC to help you figure out the answers to those two. If you're a company, you'll get the people who have the answers to those two.
Appreciable is the knowledge of the subject. What corporates we expect from all the candidates, of the people, and those maybe less talented, but sometimes we see in actual field they can bring good results and they get good success for the company. Thanks.